Hello po! Welcome to Flip Garden's Journey. Ako po si Tetay. So today mag-unbox po tayo something that I ordered from Amazon. And I received the package a while back. But ngayon lang po ako nagka-time because I've been a little bit busy lately. And so now I decided to go ahead and unbox my package from Amazon. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys would stick around and join me, and I'll see you guys there. So, yun na. Let's go ahead and start na. Ta-da! I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and if we have time, because I know what I ordered already, if I do have time, I will assemble it and maybe put it up today because it's a good day today and it's quite sunny. So, ang bilis naman mabuksan. Thank you daw. Thank you. So, yep. This is it. I'm surprised they didn't make it hard to unbox, because some packages are really hard to unbox. Oh, hi. Ta-da! This is what I got from Amazon. It's actually a trellis. So I'm gonna have to assemble the whole thing and then decide where I'm gonna put it. It's a garden. It's white. I usually order black, but there was none available, and I thought it wouldn't hurt to get white for something different. So maybe let's go assemble it now. So I decided to do the assembling outdoors since we need wide space for it. Here I have the poles, A, B, C, D, E poles, and my handy dandy screwdriver, my screws, and instruction. Okay, so far, this is what we've done. So, yung dalawang right here, there's an, as you can see, there's supposed to be an A, B, C, D, E. The A and B are these, the bottom legs. I don't know why, but this is A and this is B. So I connected, and the rest of the poles, like C, is to create the sides na, and to connect this one's E, you just screw it on the sides over here. So the screws are actually for the E bars, which is that, and the C's are the rest of the bars that will be forming the sides, and then we have D for the top part because it's hoopy, so that one goes on the top part. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the sides, that way the video won't be that long, and then we're gonna attach the hoop on top. That was it for the sides, and now we're going to the hoop part. So we're all done. I actually found a spot for the trellis. As soon as I picked it up, boom, I saw the perfect spot for it. So there you go, guys. As soon as I put the hoop up, automatic, I knew where to put it. And this is where my jasmine is going to be growing. Since it's a crawler, I put it on the side over here, and one of my jasmine over here. Excuse the broom broom. And there. We do need, it's perfect there because we do need white in this spot right here, besides the trellis being white, but we do need white color on this side because hardly any. So it's perfect there. And that's it. Whew. Break, break. So guys, that was it. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for the ones that stuck around and watched the video. I truly appreciate it, and I hope everybody's doing great and doing well out there. And God bless po sa lahat, and be safe always, especially nowadays. And I'll see you guys when I see you again next time on Flip Garden's Journey. Bye. Messy hair, I don't care. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope everybody's doing well. Thank you so much sa lahat na thank you so much for sticking around, and thank you so much for and that's it. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much sa mga thank you so much for the ones that stuck around.